Right, hello everyone, welcome to the weekly forecast on gold. Before I get into everything, there's a link in the video description for a 3 months trial of signals on a new member who's already a trader, but he is doing signals now and he's offering a 3 months trial to anyone who wants to join. So go check that out, that's in the link video description below. You'll find the link at the top. So what I'm going to do is tomorrow I'll be releasing a video going over all the services that I use, that I'm signed up to. And what we're going to do is just do an overview of all of them tomorrow. And then we're going to break it down into separate videos and go over what sort of information they deliver, how you can use it, and if they've got any special offers. So that's why I'm just starting with this one today. Then I'll carry on over the next few days, putting up different services and if they got anything to offer, and yeah, how you can benefit from them. So keep a lookout for those sort of videos. Like I said, the first one is a 3 months signals for, I think it's BOSSMAN trading. The link's in the video description. 3 months signals, might as well use it or follow it along to see how good it is. So hold on, I need to sneeze. Oh, sorry about that. So, weekly forecast on gold. We've had the continuation to the upside, and now we're going to break down to see what we can expect this week. So last week, didn't really trade gold. Didn't trade Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, or Thursday. We got this upwards move on Wednesday. There was a lot of news that day. The only trade I took on gold was on Friday, which was this downwards move with the release of the news. Then we got taken out at break even. So overall, last week was a lot of patience was taken and not many trades were taken, and we had ended with small profit on gold. We mainly trade US 30 last week. So let's go to a plain chart and just get into things. So last week we was expecting a continuation down from this sort of area, and price didn't really deliver to that with this area down here. But as you can see, price continued towards the upside and broke all of our structure. So this week we have to read structure again, and and we have to go over everything. So I'm just going to go to the higher time frame and just start, because I seem to be messing this video up, coughing and all of that sort of stuff. So we're going to start the monthly time frame. So monthly time frame. Last month, June, we got a nice doji candle there. You can see on the week already of July, we have taken the high of that. So we have to look out for a potential reversal this week, because it could be making a big bearish manipulation candle, which takes the liquidity from the high, followed by a big downwards move. So you have to have that in the back of your mind if you start to see big bearish moves this week. It could be a big move to go below the wick of this July candle and take our target that we've had over the last few weeks, which is 2277. So that's just something to keep in mind. That's all on the monthly time frame. On the weekly, so we have here all-time highs taken, retracement, and now we've broken to the upside and cleared that bearish structure that we was expecting to continue down to take 2277. So we have to anticipate a continuation up too. Now this area here, running along here, is liquidity. So this is what I just explained, the monthly time frame, top of the doji candle. So that is clear liquidity, and you can see we just took that at the end of last week. So it is in an area for a big downwards move if the true direction is down. So what that means is from Monday and Tuesday, if we just see bearish movement, then it can do this over the next few weeks. So that's the weekly and monthly done. Now we go down to the daily. So the structure we have to look out for on this. So this is the opening of May, and you can see if we run from here all the way along, price came down, retested that monthly opening and found bullish support. Price pushed up, came back down and retested that area with this move, and now you're seeing an impulse move up. So it could be a continuation up. We have to allow that possibility, and that's all. So what we have is, let me just take a screenshot. We have both scenarios to think about. You have your bullish support running along there. This is seen as a retest, and that would be seen as an impulse move up to go above this high. That's the bullish scenario. Now the bearish scenario is, this is the true direction, this is liquidity, and this is the fake out to the upside, which clears this liquidity, and this would be the impulse move down to show the true direction. That's your next scenario. So now you have the daily time frame and the higher time frame scenarios analysed. Now you have them in your head. All you have to do is look at the smaller time frame and follow price along. So what do we have here on the left? Now you got there a clear bullish manipulation candle, so that goes in grey. So we can get that box there. Where is it? There it is. So we can stick that on the consolidated area. So that would be your bullish support if price retraces. Now we can get that and put that there. So what we'd be looking for on Monday and Tuesday, we've cleared this high, so you'd be expecting a retracement even if price is bullish. You expect a retracement because we've had a breakout to the upside, and this would be your first potential support, bullish support. So you'd be clearly looking for a sell on Monday and Tuesday. That's all you can look at on the daily time frame. Now you go down to the 4 hour and you zoom out a bit. Let's get rid of the period separators. So you have this structure. So as you can see there, there's your potential bullish support. Cleared the high. There's nothing really else in the candles. So you go down to the 1 hour, and what you have here is another concentrated area. So that's the news release that happened on Friday, non-farm payroll. This is your consolidated area to show the breakout, fake out to the downside, instant push to the upside. So this would be used as your bullish support. It's key levels in there, strong volume and a strong manipulation move. So this clearly would be your bullish support. There's not really much else to go on apart from that. Let me just change that so you can see. So what we are trading, we're not trading like we're trying to be right. We're trading with best probability. And at the moment, the best probability is that retracement down, because we're clearing this high. So a retracement is very likely, even if price is to continue up. But there is a good chance that you will get a big reversal too, because it will be following the higher time frame, and that is following the white line down. So be looking for the trade on Monday and Tuesday, which is a sell. Be looking for resistance at this area here. If price starts to show reversal, you've profited of this move. You would be at break even by this time, and you'd take partial profits. If price shows you a reversal and price starts to continue up, then you can see this as a continuation up to target this high over here. But until then, you don't really know what's happening. The highest probability is to trade a net sell on Monday and Tuesday to get that retracement or the potential big reversal. If it don't start doing that and it starts consolidating, so let's start saying price stops here, it doesn't give you a retracement and it goes sideways, that means you're still likely to get bullish move, because there's no need to retrace. We're just going to build up liquidity here and then continue on, a bit like we did here and here. You just consolidate, build up that liquidity, and then price moves on. And liquidity is seen as fuel. If you put fuel in your car, you need fuel to make it go. If you don't, then you have to stop, fill up and carry on. A bit like liquidity. They don't have enough liquidity, so they have to create it, collect it, and then continue on. Hopefully that makes sense. I rambled on enough. Weekly forecast done. Message me if you've got any questions. Like I said, I've been releasing those different videos over the next few days on the services. The free monthly trial is below. Have a good day, take care, and goodbye.